Hi everyone, Kristen 3VT over here, and I just want to make this video so that I can show you how to use Mixitup to automatically post your clips from your stream to your community Discord. So that's what we're going to do today. So hopefully you can follow my tutorial, and simply put, if you have any questions, you could always just comment below. Make sure that you subscribe my channel so you can get the latest updates regarding my gameplays as well as my stream clips, and hopefully we can see each other in our stream as well that I do daily on Twitch. That's Christine 3VT. Thank you guys. Let's get to it. Alright guys, first things we need to do is we need to download Mixitup app. So open up a browser and just put in the link mixitupapp.com. Go to the download page and go download installer. It will pop up here in your download folder. Save it. And then once you do, just open up the Mixitup setup. And once you download the Mixitup setup and log into with your Twitch account, this chat box will open up. But what you need to do is go to the hamburger menu on the very top left of your screen of Mixitup, and then go to the services. From the services, you have to find Discord. You want to make sure that your Discord account is linked with your Mixitup. So you have the service connected, and you have to authorize Mixitup to be connected with your Discord. That is the only way for you to be able to see all your channel lists with your Discord when we create the command. So go back to the hamburger menu, then go back to commands. And what we do here is that if you don't have the clip command made up yet, you just click new command. You can name this as how you want it, but mine, I named it clip. And what you need to do is, this is just for the sake of tutorial, but I'm gonna make one for you guys. So what you need to do here is go to action. And then what you need to do is definitely connect your Twitch first. Put a plus sign. The type you should do clip right here. And then always remember this result source name here. We will use this soon later when we make our command. So you save it, and then once you done with the command, you open up again. You need to do another action, and this time we're gonna add Discord plus sign, and then you will have to choose the action send message, and then in the channel list here you just click clips if that's the channel that you want your clips to be posted automatically to. And in the chat message you can just go ahead and say check out my latest clip, and then remember that result source you can do the $ clip URL. But if you want to do this like after the message, you could do $ line break and then space and then the URL. And what it would look like in the clip section, what's gonna happen is that it's gonna look like this. See this? So this is a clip, and what it does is that the line break will bring the URL in the bottom of the sentence that you just did for your command. So that's what's gonna look like. After you save this, you just leave this upload file open and just save that. And then one more thing that we need to add here is a chat message. The reason for this is that we do want to thank the person who clipped the stream. So we just want to make sure to put chat thank you, just to put thank you for the clip. And the source that you have to use is user name, and then clip URL, and then save. So I just want to make sure that I did what I need to do. So clip it, username. You don't even need to put the clip URL. I forgot. Okay, so you just need to put. You just need to put this because it's automatically going to post the thing anyway. So you can customize your message here if you want, how you want it. But the 3 actions that should be in the command is just your Twitch, your Discord, and your chat message. That's all you need to do. And that's saved already. So once you already have that, so I'm just gonna delete this because I already have one. So once you already did do this, I'm also going to show you how that's going to be added to your channel points if you want the viewer to use as a command, or if you just wanted to use it as a channel point. So I'm gonna show you how to do that as a channel point. So you see I made a clip it. So what you need to do is you just create new channel point and just name it how you want it. Mine, I name it clip it. And under here, once you do it, you just add action, add command, +sign, and this command should just use run command. The command type would be your clip, chat. Sorry, your command type should be the chat, and then the command would be clip under the command that you just made earlier. So, and then after that, just save. So that's all you need to do. Like this one. And then make sure that you just put wait until complete. That way people will redeem your command to clip it, doesn't spam your clips and posting links in your chat during the stream. So make sure that that is enabled, wait until complete. And then you could also, what you could do is, because this is a channel point redeem, on the command, go back to your command section. You could actually send or put a user cooldown or global cooldown for these. You just have to go to the usage requirements. I would suggest usually just put this on 60 seconds if you like. Or if you want to just customize it and just put 30 seconds. Mine, I just put it 30 seconds. And then for the user, it's up to you if you want everyone are able to clip your stream and use the command clip, or you could just do a follower is the lowest authorization that you can do for anyone who is following your channel already that can do just the clip. Not a lot of people can't. So just make sure that you choose which one you like. I just left it as user so that way people can, you know, take my clips or anything in clips in my channel. And everything else should be done. But I will show you on your Twitch how to check on your channel points. So you go to your creator dashboard, you go to viewer rewards, and then go to your power ups and channel points management. Go to manage power ups and channel points. You scroll down, and the channel point that you made in Mixitup should appear here, and you can edit it. You can add whatever emote icons or whatever you need to do it, and then you can put a description here. What is it for? You can customize it. You can do this how I did mine. You can put a cooldown every minute that they can redeem so that they don't spam it. I didn't put any restriction on redemptions or how many times they can clip my, because I want them to clip my moments in my stream, and that's just how I say I did it. So you can just save that, and every time someone clips um, moments on your stream, they can redeem this as your channel point. So it should show in your channel point redeems name clip it. And that's pretty much how I set up mine on my clip it. So again, for a recap, you go to services first, connect your Discord for authorization, and then go back to your hamburger menu. You make a command, you can name it clip, and then from the command editor, you make sure that you set up your user cooldown, or what is the user role or the least of the user role that you want the users to clip your channel. You add the action of Twitch to make sure that the purpose of the objective here is to get clips from Twitch during your live stream. So Twitch is connected. Make sure that you make a chat message thanking the username who made the clip for you. You could definitely just customize this how you want it, but just make sure that you add the username source here, the special identifier, so that way you are thanking the person who actually triggered the command. And then you add Discord and choose what channel you want the clips to be posted to. And once they clip that and working, like I said, the Discord will automatically, the Mixitup will automatically post a clips on your channel that you chose, and this is what it looks like, the Mixitup. And then it will show the clip URL and then the message, and it will show automatically. So every time someone clips your channel, moments in your channel during live stream, then it will post here. So that is it, guys. It's really easy to set it up. If you have any questions, let me know, and then I can go ahead and answer as best as I can on the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, like my channel. It'll help me so much for your support. I do stream as well on Twitch daily, except Sunday is my rest day. But I stream from 1 to 8 p.m. Eastern time. So hopefully I can see you guys there. If not, just comment below and I'll help as much as I can if you have any questions. Thank you so much, everybody. Love you guys. Hope you have a great day. And here's the little panda on my desktop. But have a good one. Thank you. Bye bye.